This video demonstrates how to extract a LibreOffice DEB package that has just been downloaded. There are several ways to download a DEB package for LibreOffice. You can learn more about downloading a DEB package at the OS College webpage that is in the description for this video or social media post. This video was shot using Ubuntu 18.04. The version of LibreOffice is 6.4, and the package is in the Downloads folder. Once the DEB-tar-gz package is downloaded, the files and folders need to be extracted from it and saved to a folder in the operating system. Go to the folder where the DEB package has been downloaded. Double-click the package. This launches the Archive Manager window. It has an Extract button in it. Click the Extract button. This launches a window where you can choose the folder in your operating system where you want to extract the folders or files in the package. Choose the folder where you want to extract the DEB files and folders to. I will choose the Documents folder in Ubuntu. Click the Extract button in the window. There is now a new folder in the location you chose with a name similar to this one. All the folders and files needed to install LibreOffice are contained in a folder inside this one called DEBs. This video has been about extracting the files and folders in a DEB file so the latest versions of LibreOffice can be installed on a Debian-based system. There are other videos about the DEB package for LibreOffice in this playlist or social media page. Thank you for watching. You can learn more about the DEB package by visiting the OS College website. The address for the exact page is in this description for this video and this social media post.